We are in Tangen, another place in Norway, Sandefjord. We're gonna test the drone here. This is a safe place, no people, and away from the airport. It's nice to have a boat. Schools are closed because of the COVID-19. And look at us, we're outside, but there's no people here, so it's safe.